Hello, hello. How are you, my people? How are you? Are you good? Are you okay? How is your day? Okay. So let's get started. My name is Bruno. If you don't know me, I'm an English teacher. Been teaching English for 6 years of my life, and I'm currently here in Sydney, Australia, also teaching English because this is what I love. This is my job. This is my profession, let's say. So this video is awesome. This video is awesome because this video is meant for beginners. Okay, and today you will notice that I will be speaking a little slow, okay, just to make sure you understand, okay, because you have to understand 100% of this class. Well, let's start. Articles. We have some articles that are very useful and important in English, okay? Today's class is about three articles, only three, but they will help you a lot, massively, let's say, okay? So let's get started here. Let me just organize. I don't know what's happening with this chair. Okay, we have three articles, okay? I will start with these guys. We have A and N. Very easy, very easy. First things first. A and, oops, and they are only for singular, only for one thing. I'll even put one thing. One thing. One thing doesn't exist. One thing, just one. But teacher, if I have two, no A, no N. No option. It's just one. Okay? I'll use one example. I am a teacher. Look how beautiful. I am a teacher. I'm a teacher. Okay? I am a teacher. Beautiful. But pay attention. I'll show you something that I think you'll get lost a little bit here. I am an English teacher. Oh my God. What just happened here? What just happened here? Why do I have a teacher but an English teacher? It's very simple, and you will know why now. Okay, first things first. A lot of people will say depends on the next letter that comes. I'll show you. To understand this, you have to understand that, oh my gosh, caps lock, please. Oh, thank you so much. We have something called consonant, and we have something called vowel. Okay? What is consonant? What is this word? B, C, D, F, G, H, blah, blah, blah. Okay? Imagine in your language you have consonants. Okay? These letters are consonants. And we also have vowel, which A, E, I, O, U. These are vowel. Okay? Easy peasy. Consonant, vowel. Consonant, vowel. You have to remember that so you will understand how to use A and N. Okay? You have also to remember that we have to pay attention at the sound of the word. The sound. But teacher, I remember that when I learned, they told me that I just needed to see the letter. Okay? It doesn't work like this. 90% it will work, but 10% it's not gonna work. Okay? Examples. Let me show you. Let's imagine that I have here apple. I don't need to put parentheses. Orange, bottle, car. So if I want to say one apple, one orange, one bottle, one car, I'll have to use a or an, correct? Let's see, apple. Apple starts with a, correct? If I see the letter, it's okay, it's gonna work. Perfect, perfect. But pay attention at the sound. Apple, apple. The sound reminds me a vowel. So if we see here for vowel, we use N. For consonant, we use A. Let's use that. And apple. And if you want to make it like more beautiful, an apple, an apple, an apple. Okay? Orange, again, an orange. Bottle, b, b, b. Consonant, a bottle. Car, c, k, k, car. Perfect. It works. As I told you, 90% of the situations, it's gonna be all right. Don't worry, just do it. But 10% of the situations, if you only see the letter, you will not make it. Okay? Example, honor. Example, oops, I forgot one letter. It's because of the, yes, it's the Australia. Uh, University. I have here two situations where it's gonna be different. It's gonna be very different. Okay, so what I want to show you is we have to stop thinking about the next letter and pay more attention at the sound. Okay, example, honor, honor. But teacher, it's H here. If I only see the letter H, it's consonant. I'll put it's a honor, right? No, no. Look, look, it's underlined because there's a mistake here. We have to pay attention at the sound. Honor, 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 honor starts with honor. So in this situation, I have a vowel, an honor. University. University. But teacher, look, I have you. Why is that wrong? Because when I say university, it's the same of saying this. University. It's the same. The sound is the same. Okay? So in this case, I don't have a vowel. I have a consonant. Gotcha? So the reason that it's very important you pay attention at the sound is that you will not make mistakes while you have this 10%, 5%, I don't know. I'm just creating a percentage here. Okay? Generally speaking, just seeing the letter, it's gonna work. But the exceptions, you will have to pay attention at the sound. Okay? Easy peasy. Very good, very good, very good. So we learned that a and an are used for singular, and we have to differ by the sound. We also have the. The is specific. The is very specific. Okay? Very, very, very. So when you use the, You mean this one, that one, specific. Okay? We can use the for singular and plural. The is specific. Yeah, let me put the is very specific. Okay? You have to remember that when I say a car, it means one car. I don't know, whichever you want, one car, whatever. But when I say the car, it's specific. Maybe it's my car, maybe it's the car that is parked on the street, maybe it's the red car, maybe it's the blue car that we are talking about, but it's specific. Okay? The easy. The is very easy to use because you just put the. There's no other way around to say it, like A and N. No, it's the. Finish. I can use the car or the cars. But teacher, can I use the, oops, in these examples here? Yes, the apple, the apples, the orange, the oranges, the bottle, the bottles, the car, the cars. Honor, I can say the honor. The honor is totally mine, but it's like strange, okay? The honor and honor doesn't, we don't use pluralization in this sentence. The honors, okay? You pay on, it's different. It's a different example. University, the oh my gosh, university, the universities. Okay, just remember that here we have plural. Okay, oh teacher, I don't know plural. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. You can say the, and here you can say the honor. Okay, but it's completely different example. Understand, it's very simple. So let's sum it up. To sum up this part here, we have a singular and singular. Depends on the sound of the word, correct? We have the singular and plural, and very easy to use. Okay? So basically, today's class was about articles. Okay? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. There's no much like to learn here. Of course, in higher level, okay, in higher level we can use it more specific, let's say, more specific and harder in examples. But as this class is meant for beginners, I don't want to go too deep in it, okay? So let's keep it shallow, but at least you understand the structure, you understand how to use it. Because when you have enough level, you will see that teacher, it's just the way I apply it changes. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day ahead of you, wonderful night. I don't know what time you were watching it, but thank you. I hope I see you around. Thanks very much. If you have any question, anything to say, please leave in the comment section, and I hope I helped you. Thanks.